What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Family Life Outdoors for another camping adventure.
We're headed to Hills Creek Sate Park in Wellsboro, PA for 4 nights and 5 days.
We're taking our new camper rig for the first time, so we got our new truck and trailer. Hopefully things are a lot easier this time. Hopefully you enjoy the ride. We'll see you there.
Right, you put in here?
Yep. And I think you pull the thing.
Okay guys, we're on our way to the campsite.
You gotta turn it to face you.
And now we're gonna go on the back of the trailer because Zach got this seat. Do it again. And the lake. Say hi, Lena.
Hi.
So guys, if my camera quality is horrible, it's my first time, so it might be horrible. Looks like the dark woods from Roly Poly, right? And then we're back to the campsite. And now we're gonna back up. So we're going forward and they're going backwards.
I threw my Crocs in there.
Me too. I threw my sandals in there. And we're back to the campsite. Woohoo! And that was it. So Lena has her incense here. That's
Smells
what it's
like
called.
burnt hair.
Her hair. And
Let me
she
see.
got this ashtray that has a lock for it. And it smells like, definitely smells like burnt hair. And it smells really good to me though.
Let's carry it around.
It gives everyone a headache. Everyone, let me tell you. So we have the sitting hammock that Mom is on.
The fairy magic one.
And then we have Lena's hammock, my dome hammock that gives me a stomach ache, and my hammock. We got,
Can I light the fire with it? Let's see.
and then we got some sunflowers. And I'm going to show you the rest in a little. Okay, now I'm going to show you what we got. So we got those sunflowers that I showed you.
Watch it drop on my head.
And we got some, which one is this? My rosemary olive oil that we got from the olive oil place. The olive oil place. And then we have Lena's that she picked out. It is called sun-dried tomato and Parmesan garlic olive oil.
Yummy, yummy.
And then we also got
Okay, I'm gonna start.
me and Mom went into this place and we got like some stuff, like book things. And then I got a book. And I got this ashtray for my incense. Lena, I get to do that. So, Lena got this comic book. And we have some other books. And that's all. Okay, I need someone to push me.
Ready?
Yeah.
If you fall, I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, I think you might have outgrew that. Look at them bufferinos. Puppuccinos. Good boys. That was when I was in the hood and somebody was shooting at me.
You just got this. You liar. I got him. Get it off me! Zach told me to. Thank you, guys.
So what's this place called?
I don't even know.
Timeless Destinations. We're at Timeless Destinations restaurant in downtown Wellsboro with the kids and the dogs outside enjoying our nice evening. What do you think, Hunter?
He wants the sandwiches.
Do you want some sandwiches? Huh? They even gave us a water bowl for the doggies. So, nice little dog-friendly restaurant.
Ooh, there's
Whoa.
lights. You can see.
Alright guys, so here it is before we dig in. Some steak, some
What's your pasta
pasta,
building? I don't even know what it's Quattro formaggio.
quattro formaggio. I got a New York strip. And then Mom and Bella got a
Steak and
sirloin
beef and reef.
Beef and reef, surf and turf.
Beef and reef surfing.
Hunter's ready to dig in. River's ready to dig in. We're gonna dig in. Alright, Hunter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
This is how I wet my mouth. Okay, done. Guys, I have my little setup here so I can carve. And I'm making this, and I'm trying to make it into a spear. I'm trying at least. And I made my tiny stick. No, that alongside this as a spear. Wait. Okay, and the tailgate top is good for something. And I have the seat here from the tailgate. I have a light, flip-flops to get down, and this is my little spot that they can see me if I'm lost. So that's it for now.
Let's see your fire dance.
Put that on YouTube video for synchronicity.
Let's see your fire dance, Zachary.
Oh, you gotta do your fire dance.
Oh, I have a fire dance.
Fire dance. Then flip you into the fire. Fire dance. Fire dance.
Talk about the view.
No pets.
No pets allowed. Hyner.
Cowanesque, Cowanesque Lake. Something like that. Found a dead body after a day in the lake. Tuckered out.
We broke her.
She's broken. Taking her back to the store.
Hello. Hello. Struggling to put this light on like a dress.
Okay, here's the hack. When you fall in the river and your shorts are wet, you put the... Stop laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
You put the waistband in the window and then you close it so they dry as you drive. And you put your sandwich order on there.
So we're leaving from Hills Creek State Park, and we've been driving by this for the last couple days. It's a little honey stand. It's called Lee's Bees Honey. He's got a little stand with some honey products and a few lotion products. Pretty cool little local shop here.
Super cute. What did we get?
We got blueberry honey jelly and regular honey. My baby bear honey.
Got pepper honey jelly
Is this
and
mine?
honey.
And I got my own little bear, regular honey. Take me out before you go. Summertime sadness. I just want you to know. Summertime sadness. Summertime sadness. Summertime.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the trip with us. We did it. It was
Time to go home.
it's time to go home. Hooray for some air conditioning. but we visited Tioga-Hammond Lakes, Cowanesque Lake,
We did Hyner
View
State Park,
Hyner Run State Park, Little Pine State Park, and Hills Creek State Park. So 6 different places in 5 days and lots of sun. It is 99 degrees today. So we are ready for home. So I hope you enjoyed everything and joining along in our adventures. I hope we inspire you to get outside and play. Thanks for going along with us at Family Life Outdoors, and please like and subscribe to keep us going. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to keep an eye out for the next 3 videos coming out from the Hills Creek trip. We're going to be doing a Hills Creek walkthrough as usual, and we're going to be doing our camp cooking video and also the rest of the state parks that we visited and all the activities we did there. So if you're not subscribed yet, please go subscribe so you get notified for when those videos come out. Thanks guys.